If you want to start sending out WhatsApp broadcast messages like FlySafe or Checkers, I want to take you through a short tutorial that'll show you how you can get there. You need to submit templates to Facebook to ask them for permission to send customers messages. You'll need to set up a broadcast campaign. You'll need to segment your customers to make sure that the right customers are receiving the right pieces of content from your business. And you need to consider that there's billing and charges, and those billing and charges need to be offset by the call to action with what you're asking people to purchase from you during your WhatsApp message. So to get started, you'll need a platform like Webites to be able to register a WhatsApp number, make sure that the WhatsApp number is verified and has all the relevant ticks from Facebook, which I've explained in a separate video. But for this video, I want to take you through what it takes to get a WhatsApp automation going. So you click on WhatsApp, you go WhatsApp automation. The first thing that you need to do is submit a template to Meta to ask them for approval. So you can see I've got 2 messages approved here under marketing. To create the template, you click on create template, and you would give the template or the campaign a name, select a category. You can add a header, which could either be text or it could be a media for both images, videos, documents. You add a body of content, which would be the actual message or the offer that you're asking. And the most important thing is to have a clear call to action at the bottom. So either a call to action that is like a call maybe, so that people are phoning you or they're booking a call on Calendly, or it could just be a quick reply as in a message within the chat that they receive. Once that's done and you've clicked create and it's approved, you can go and add a broadcast campaign. The broadcast campaign will go out to a select group of customers that you've segmented or tagged, and that could come either through your CRM or you could manually do it depending on who you are and what business you've got running. So this broadcast, I'm just going to say hi. I select the winter warmer special, and then the group I want to send it to could be, for example, the Facebook leads that have recently come through, and we want to now communicate with those Facebook leads. I can send it now or I can send it later. And once I've sent out the campaign, which we did last week, you start getting responses on those campaigns where, for example, this contact over here has been able to receive the winter warmer special. She understands how much it costs. She says, can I book the special? And the bot starts chatting to her. Here are all your inbox messages of different customers that are interacting with the bot. And then further down where there's no little red notification, these customers are not interacting. These can be segmented as inactive customers, maybe deleted, or maybe you give them a different type of special or a different follow-up message to ask them to get involved. I hope this makes sense and you enjoyed the video. And if you did, give it a like. And if you need help, feel free to ask.